How can I connect large language models LLM to various data sources to utilize their capabilities? Interconnecting large language models LLM to data sources is a crucial step in leveraging their capabilities. There are several frameworks available that make this process easy. LangChain and Llama Index are two popular frameworks that provide features such as evaluation libraries, document loaders, and query methods. These frameworks enable you to connect your LLM to various data sources, including databases, file systems, and cloud storage services. When connecting LLM to data sources, it's essential to consider the type of data you want to work with, the complexity of the data, and the specific requirements of your application. You may need to preprocess the data, convert it into a suitable format, and optimize it for efficient processing. Additionally, you may need to consider issues such as data quality, data consistency, and data security. To get started, you can explore the various frameworks available and choose the one that best suits your needs. You can also read about the experiences of other developers who have successfully connected LLM to data sources. With the right framework and approach, you can unlock the full potential of your LLM and achieve impressive results.